Good afternoon, ROG fans, respected members of media, and tech gurus. Namaste. Welcome to the India launch event of ROG Phone 5S, an ultimate weapon to rule them all. During the pandemic, gaming came to the forefront and became a great stress buster. A new means both for entertainment as well as socially connecting with our friends and family. We are deeply inspired by the love of our Indian fans for ROG products. Even during tough pandemic situation, the ROG brand continued to grow phenomenally in the Indian market in both segments, smartphones as well as PCs. I want to sincerely thank all our fans in India for this incredible support. I want to take this opportunity to thank Ajay, Arif and the entire Flipkart team for the support they've extended to the ROG Phone series. Today is indeed special, and I am super excited to be here to unveil to you our ROG family of fans and gamers, the ultimate weapon from the future, the ROG Phone 5S series. What fills me and everyone here with pride is the sheer love that we have received not just from our gaming family, but from across the country. Truly, this is what the Republic of Gamers is all about. For which other brand has had each of its flagships outselling its predecessors and becoming the most awarded? For all that and more, we have you to thank. In fact, our ROG community has seen a lot of intense action over the last few months. The Battle of Gods weekly online tournament held exclusively for ROG Phone customers has now had 36 successful weeks. We know that ROG loves eSports and that our engagements on Battle of Gods have been crafted to give you guys and our community members a superlative experience of participation in eSports action every weekend. Battle of Gods tournaments are not only exciting, but also highly rewarding for the ROG Phone community. So far, ROG Phone community has won cumulative awards of over Rs 20 lakhs.
We invite you to watch the exciting final of Battle of God Season 3 tomorrow evening at 8 PM, where the top contestants will battle it out in the finale of the third season.
At ROG, we strive and craft for those who dare by bringing them the latest and greatest from ROG consistently. That is why the ROG Phone is truly worshipped by gamers and loved by tech gurus. It's now time to present to you the ROG Phone 5S and ROG Phone 5S Pro, which are indeed weapons from the future built for those who dare and deserve nothing but the ultimate best. Let's start with the performance first. ROG Phone 5S series has an awesome, highest speed enabling combination with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus 5G mobile platform that has faster CPU compared to the Snapdragon 888, up to 18 GB LPDDR5 fastest RAM, and up to 512 GB UFS 3.1 faster storage. For sustained peak performance, ROG Phone 5S incorporates a 5-layer game-cool system that comprises larger copper 3D vapor chamber, larger graphite sheet, mid-frame heat dissipation, EMR shield heat dissipation, and Aeroactive Cooler 5 fan accessory.
ROG Phone 5S incorporates class-leading custom-built flagship Samsung 6.78-inch 144Hz S-AMOLED HDR10 Plus display, which has been upgraded to 360Hz touch sampling and faster 24 millisecond touch response that allows you to react in your favorite games with much faster input than ever before, and also features Delta E less than 1 color accuracy. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus display protection enables survival of drops up to 6 feet 6 inches and is twice as scratch resistance compared to Gorilla Glass 6.
Now let's talk about the coolest feature on the ROG Phone 5S series, the Ultrasonic air trigger system. The ROG Phone, since its first iteration, has featured the most critical gaming-centric feature of them all that allows you to experience console-like gaming on a smartphone. ROG Phone 5S features advanced 4-way ultra-responsive air triggers 5 that are customizable with tap and swipe actions. The ROG Phone 5S Pro features 2 additional capacitive air triggers that allow for more off-screen control over your favorite games. To allow you even more control over your games, the phone also features enhanced motion control with shake, tilt and turn input support so that you can take up to 10 off-screen actionable controls through motion triggers. Even the Aeroactive Cooler 5 fan accessory for the ROG Phone 5 and 5S series features physical trigger buttons that allow for superior game control. So with the Aeroactive 5 fan accessory attached, you can configure up to 16 off-screen controls on the ROG Phone 5S and up to 18 off-screen controls on the ROG Phone 5S Pro. To ensure you outlast your enemies, the ROG Phone 5S series comes with a 6000 mAh king-size flagship battery with up to 65-watt hypercharge capability. The middle tab split battery design allows for significantly improved battery thermal performance and battery capacity retention. Gamers have always loved the dual charging ports on ROG phones that allows them to game comfortably with a charging pin that connects to the phone in the horizontal bottom position, away from your hands. The ROG Phone 5S series also feature incredible battery protection and saving modes such as scheduled charging and steady charging. These allow you to increase the battery life to an extent never seen before on any other smartphone out there. Accurate and crisp sound is an integral element in competitive gaming. It allows you to perceive the gaming world in higher definition. For just that, the ROG Phone 5S series features symmetrical dual large 7-magnet front-firing loudspeakers powered by Dirac audio plus dual amplifiers for maximum immersion and accurate balanced stereo effects so good that you'll never need headphones. The speakers also offer enhanced low-frequency sound tuning that lets you really feel the bass.
For supreme low latency and high-quality Bluetooth audio, the ROG Phone 5S series supports Qualcomm's aptX adaptive and Sony's LDAC.
ROG phones have always graced the ROG logo with a customizable RGB light, and this time on the ROG Phone 5S, the ROG logo gets a dual zone RGB lighting that are fully customizable and with an animated RGB lighting. The ROG Phone 5S Pro, on the other hand, features a cool OLED color display at the back that can show animated graphics for system-related functions such as switching on X mode, connecting accessories, incoming call alert, charging percentage, etc. But it is also fully customizable, allowing you to flaunt your own unique style. The ROG Phone 5S series features multiple antennas to ensure you're always connected to the internet with the maximum speed and fidelity no matter how you hold the device to game vertically or horizontally. To also ensure you're connected to the fastest mode of internet, the ROG Phone 5S series features the amazing Hyperfusion. Hyperfusion allows the ROG Phone 5S to automatically choose the fastest internet connection, and also for apps that allow multiple connections, Hyperfusion can also connect to both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi channels at the same time, or it can combine both the mobile data and Wi-Fi together, increasing your internet connectivity speed. The ROG Phone 5 series comes with a 64-megapixel flagship Sony IMX686 sensor main camera, offering you up to 8K Pro video recording, Pro mode for both photos and videos, and superb night mode performance. It also has a secondary 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera to capture ultra-wide angles and offers a hyper-steady video recording feature. And lastly, there's the 5-megapixel macro camera for when you want incredibly close-up detail. For superior selfies, the front camera is a 24-megapixel camera that can shoot 4K as well. The ROG Phone 5S series will continue to support the extensive range of ROG Phone original accessories, such as the ROG Aeroactive 5 Cooler fan accessory for enhanced performance push, the ROG Kunai 3 gamepad for complete console gaming experience, the ROG Lighting Armor case, and the ASUS Professional Dock for extensive audio, video, and peripheral connectivity. We are super excited to announce that for the very first time, we have the ultimate gods of gaming, none other than Carrie Minati, Mortal, and Scout, who will be coming together today as a squad live at 9 PM to obliterate their enemies with the ultimate weapon, the ROG Phone 5S Pro. So guys, get ready and tune into their YouTube channels to watch them in action. At ROG, our endeavor is to identify and empower upcoming esports talent in India. We are also super excited to share that for the first time, we are organizing an open to all mobile esports tournament, the ROG League of Champions, in partnership with New State Mobile by Crafton. Gamers will have a chance to win prizes worth 10 lakhs. Top 3 teams will be equipped with the most ultimate weapon, the ROG Phone 5S, and will be provided with the best-in-class guidance to develop as a pro esports team by top esports champions in India. Registrations for this tournament start today. The ROG Phone 5S series will be exclusively available on Flipkart. Sale for all ROG Phone 5S variants, the ROG Phone 5S and the ROG Phone 5S Pro will start on 18th February at 12 p.m. Friends, it's time now to announce the India pricing for ROG Phone 5S series. The ROG Phone 5S 8GB 128GB variant will be available for only Rs 49,999. The ROG Phone 5S 12GB 256GB variant will be available for only Rs 57,999. And the ROG Phone 5S Pro with 18GB RAM, 512GB storage will be available for only Rs 79,999. Thank you all for joining us today. Now get your own ROG Phone 5S and rule them all.